Hi, my name is Glen Michael, and this is Melina. And today we're going to be showing you the Bachata. So for the man's part, he starts with his left foot and steps to the side, 3 steps to the lady right foot. So we step 1, 2, 3, and then we go back the other way, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. In terms of the hip action, there is as many different hip styles as there are human beings. So it's really up to you as to what feels comfortable for yourself. But ideally, you're just pushing the hip up. So we step 1, 2, 3, push up, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. In terms of the hold, we can take our hand in hand, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I can get a little closer to my partner with my hand on the small of her back, and a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. From time to time, I can switch the hand position, taking her right arm behind her back, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We can take both hands behind, a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, or the lady can place hands behind 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. For our next pattern, we're going to be rotating our basic. So the idea is, as we step side, the gentleman with the left foot, the lady with the right, we step 1, 2, 3. Now here, I'm going to pull my right shoulder back, and the lady steps with her left side, and 1, 2, 3. So that we're just rotating. We're stepping 1, 2, 3, a 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 1, 2, 3. For our next pattern, we're going to be going forward and back. So instead of stepping to the sides, Melina steps back with the right foot, I go forward with the left. And a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. For our next pattern, we're going to be leading the lady into an underarm turn. So we start with one basic, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Now at this point, I raise my arm, and Melina's going to turn, 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 and 1, 2, 3. So this is a traveling turn, so each step that she takes, she travels 1, 2, 3. I drop the hand, and 1, 2, 3. So again, 1, 2, 3, drop the hand, 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to lead the lady with my right hand. So we're doing one basic, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. Take my right hand, draw a little halo over her head, 1, 2, 3. The lady's comb. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to take Melina's arm. She's going to drop her elbow. I'm going to take my hand and I'm just going to bring it over her head. So I'm just taking this action and doing a comb. Now I can comb any time I want. So if we're doing a basic step, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. A 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. For our next pattern, we're going to be leading the lady with a right hand turn into a comb. So we're doing one basic first, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. I lead the lady, 1, 2, 3, and finish on the other side with a comb. Okay? So we'll do that again. We're stepping one basic, lady turns, I finish with a comb, and then back into a basic. Now we're going to take the lady and we're going to turn her in the opposite direction. So I'm turning Melina one way, 1, 2, 3. I'm leaving the hand up, and I'm just going to draw a halo around her head as she draws her foot back. So we're going 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. For our next pattern, both the man and the ladies turn. So we start with a basic, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. Now the idea with the lead is all I'm doing is I'm releasing the lady's hand, pushing it forward a little bit, 2, 3, and here I can either connect and do the same thing, or it's just a visual follow. She'll just see what I'm doing, and then she'll follow. So we step basic, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. We both turn, 1, 2, 3, and we can turn back, 2, 3, and kick her back up, 1, 2, 3. For our next pattern, we're going to be integrating a turn and a forward and back. I lead the lady into a turn, 1, 2, 3. Now Melina's going to do a half turn. I'm going to support her here, hold her hand in place. She steps forward, side, and close. And now we go forward. Ladies on the right foot, man on the left foot. 1, 2, 3. Now the last action, the lady continues to go back. I just turn to face her, 1, 2, 3, and now we're back into a basic on this side. So let's do this again. So I'm leading my partner, 1, 2, 3. I lead her in front of me, 1, 2, 3. Melina goes forward with her right foot. I go forward with my left. 1, 2, 3. We go forward and back. And 1, 2, 3. And I turn to face her. And 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Our next pattern is I'm going to lead the lady into a hammerlock. I'm raising my left hand. The lady turns, but I'm going to hold the right hand in place. So we're stepping 1, 2, 3. And that gives us this look. Okay, so I'm just going to reverse the action. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3. Our next pattern is a hammerlock turn into a forward and back basic. So we're stepping 1, 2, 3. Now the lady has to revolve, 2, 3. And now she goes forward, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do that again. So we're starting with the hammerlock, 1, 2, 3. I'm turning the lady into 1.5 turns. 1, 2, 3. We go forward, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3, and I turn to face her. For our next pattern, we're doing a change of places. We're starting with one basic, 1, 2, 3, a 1, 2, 3. I lead my partner with the left hand lead, 1, 2, 3. Now Melina's standing here, I'm standing here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to change places. I'm going to go underneath my arm. Melina walks around me, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. So we'll do this one more time. I turn my partner, 1, 2, 3, I'm facing her, I'm going to go under my arm, 1, 2, 3, and a 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to take these patterns and dance them in a little routine.